Hello, welcome. Today we are going to round a number to a place value given. We are supposed to round off 868 to the nearest tens and 7,806 to the nearest hundreds. First of all, let us remind each other about place values. Let us write the place value of 7,836. We are reading the place values from right to left. The first digit to the right, it is ones. The second digit, it is tens. The third digit is hundreds. And the fourth digit is thousands. And so on. A, we need to round 868 to tens. First, we are going to underline place value rounded. That we have 868 and we are rounding to tens. This is ones, this is tens, so we underline number 6, which is in tens. Second, we are going to circle the digit to the right, that is, we are going to circle 8, and for digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, for this digit, we round down but for digits 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we round up. In rounding up, we add 1 to the place value, and in rounding down, we don't add anything. Now, our digit to the right fall under the second group. Here is 8, so we are going to round up. Rounding up means we are going to add 1 to 6. That is going to be 8, 7, and the remaining digit to the right becomes 0, so we are going to have 0. And this is our rounded number. As you can see, we are rounding 868, and you have two options, to round up or to round down. When we round down, it's going to be 860. When we round up, it's 870. But when we check our number, it is very close to 870. That's why this becomes our correct answer. Let us do part B. We need to round 7,806 to the nearest hundreds. First, we are going to underline the digit. We have 7,806. We are supposed to find hundreds. This is ones, tens, hundreds is at digit 8. Then we are going to circle the digit to the right, that is 0. 0 is found to the first group, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At this group, we round down, that is going to be 7, 8. Rounding down, we don't add anything, but all digits to the right turn to zeros. So have 0 and 6 also turn to 0. Let us check. Our number is 7,806, and we have two options to round. The first one is 7,900, and the second one is 7,800. When we check our number, it is very easy to round down. It's going to give us a good approximation than rounding up, which is going to be very, very far. So 7,800 is our correct answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on whole number, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.